Imagine waking up one morning, opening your crypto wallet and seeing zero balance. All your hard-earned Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other assets gone, vanished into thin air. This isn't a nightmare. It's happening to thousands of people every single day. And the worst part? They never see it coming. But don't worry, because you're watching Savings Spark, where we help you make, save, and protect your wealth. I'm revealing the one deadly mistake that could wipe out your entire crypto portfolio. Along the way, we'll expose 5 other common blunders that put your crypto at risk. Mistakes that even experienced investors make. But stay till the end, because the final mistake is the real silent killer, and chances are you're making it right now. Before we dive in, let's get one thing clear. Crypto isn't just an investment, it's financial freedom. But with great power comes great responsibility. And if you're not careful, your wealth could disappear in seconds. Now, let's start with mistake number 1. You've heard this before. Not your keys, not your coin. Yet, millions still leave their assets sitting on centralized exchanges. Here's the danger. Exchanges get hacked. Mt. Gox, FTX, Celsius. The list goes on. When these platforms collapse, customers lose everything. Solution? Always transfer your holdings to a secure, non-custodial wallet, preferably a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trade. Now, mistake number 2 is just as dangerous, and it could drain your wallet without you even notice. Scammers are getting smarter. Fake websites, Telegram bots, and even deep fake videos of crypto influencers. One wrong click, and you could be signing away your entire wallet. A recent case? A user lost $1 million because they clicked a fake MetaMask update. Solution: always triple-check URLs, enable 2-factor authentication, and never connect your wallet to random sites. Mistake number 3 is what destroys people in seconds, especially during bull run. Leverage is a double-edged sword. You see traders turning $1,000 into $100,000, but what you don't see, the thousands who liquidate their entire portfolio overnight. Even top traders like Arthur Hayes have admitted, leverage is a ticking time. Solution: never trade with more than you can afford to lose. Stick to spot trading unless you truly understand risk management. But even if you avoid these 3 mistakes, mistake number 4 could still destroy your crypto. A software wallet is great, but if you're serious about security, a hardware wallet is a must. Why? Because malware and keyloggers can steal your private keys if you store them on your phone or computer. Solution: get a hardware wallet and store your seed phrase offline, never on your phone or computer. Now, let's talk about the 5th mistake, which might seem harmless but can turn your entire portfolio into worthless digital dust. The crypto space is full of scams. If you chase every new meme coin or NFT project, chances are you'll get rug pulled. Terra Luna, BitConnect, Squid Game token. People lost millions because they followed hype instead of fundamentals. Solution: always DIY. Do your own research and stick to projects with real-world utility. Now, let's get to the one mistake that could cost you everything. Even if you avoid all the mistakes we just covered, this one lurks in the shadows, waiting to strike. The biggest mistake in crypto? Complacency. Yes, the moment you think I know enough is the moment you're most vulnerable. Crypto security isn't set and forget. It's constant vigilance. Updates change. Scams evolve. Regulations shift. The second you stop learning, you become a target. So what's the takeaway? Crypto isn't just about making money. It's about protecting what you earn. Get your funds off exchanges. Use hardware wallets. Double-check every link before clicking. Stop chasing hype. And most importantly, never get complacent. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe for more crypto saving insights. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.